as a licensed cosmetologist specializing in women's hair enhancements, from hair extensions to custom wigs, I personally design my pieces because that's what I do. So I can't really outsource it, being that I still have the energy and the time to create my custom looks. So in doing that right now, this is one of the pieces that I'm working on for an upcoming show episode on Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV, Barbara Campbell Beauty Tips. So right now I'm creating a custom piece for my own show. You know, it's so funny because when I started in the hair business, I for a very short period, I got a chance to work an intern actually at a theater company, and got a chance